Hey G-Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool instrument right here, and basically what this is a tea container or tea canister. And you see the one that we got right here is from this brand, and right here they probably got some specs and features on here. So they mentioned the product is a stainless steel airtight canister that you can use to store tea, coffee, or anything else. And they mentioned how you guys want to hand wash the product. So obviously if it's the first time using the product, you do want to hand wash it before you guys actually put stuff inside. And the way how they designed the lid is a clear design lid. So that way you can see through everything inside once you guys peel off the sticker. And then right here on the side, you can see they do have this option for you guys to seal it up. So once you guys open up, you have to do that to open it up. And you see throughout the side, they do have like the silicone material. So that way you can get the airtight seal when you guys do close it. And here is basically what the inside looks like. If you see the inside very big, you have to put a lot of stuff inside. So once you guys put your stuff inside, you can close the lid all the way and seal it back up like this. And push it down until it locks in and it's all set. If you guys look in the bottom, they mentioned how you don't want to put it in dishwasher because it's not dishwasher safe. But let me peel off the sticker first to show you guys what the lid looks like. Alright, so once you guys peel off the sticker, that is basically what the product looks like. You can see it is a see-through clear design lid. So that way you can see what's inside and that way you know how much is left as well. And since the product has an airtight sealed lid, let me test it out to see whether or not the product is leak proof as well. And then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so right here we do have the product. Let me pour some water in here and then show you guys whether or not it's actually leak proof. Alright, that should be enough. Let's close it back up. Alright, so let's pour it out. The product is not leak proof if you can see. So if you guys want to add water in here, that is not ideal. But if you guys want to add other stuff like coffee or tea or anything else, then it is fine. And also in the way, if you guys think about it, it's not like fully airtight sealed. So it's definitely something to kind of consider when you guys do purchase it. But if it's your first time using the product, you definitely want to hand wash it before you guys use it. So that is basically a quick little test to show you guys that the product is not leak proof, but it does give you guys a pretty good airtight seal. So you see inside I stored some cereal and it fit perfectly. Welcome back guys. So whether if you guys want to put like tea, coffee, sugar or anything else, whatever you guys want to put in here, that is up to you guys. But definitely has a large capacity on here for you guys to put whatever you guys want, which is pretty cool. And I do love the fact that how she has the tea logo in the front. So that way if you guys get the other one that labels coffee, that way you know which is which. One is for tea and one for coffee. But like I mentioned, you do have the option to put other stuff as well if you guys do want to. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now the unboxing and testing product. Now the end question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to do one of these. Especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality airtight container or canister to store like tea, coffee or anything else. That I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.